Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Wi-Fi hotspot on Windows 11 so you can share your internet connection with others. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type settings. Now gear like icon will show up here. Click on it, open it. Now search for network and internet as you can see here in the fourth. Click on it. Now look for mobile hotspot. You can see here mobile hotspot. Open it. Now you have to turn it on as you can see here. Toggle it on. Now here you will see two options here. Share over. You can share your internet through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. I will choose Wi-Fi here. Now it will also give you another option to connect. You can share your device with the scanner and connect directly to the internet. So that's it guys, and you have successfully set up a Wi-Fi hotspot on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you in the next one. I hope this video helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.